Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to Avalon Public School at home. Children, in previous class I told you about biosphere and atmosphere. Okay children, that how air, land and water interact and make biosphere for our survival. So Earth is very unique planet that we all living organisms can survive here. Okay children, in this class now we'll learn about chapter 5 major domains of the earth part 4. Okay children, so topic is human impact on the earth and ways to preserve the earth. You know children, our daily activities make a great impact on domains of the earth. So humans take and use resources like water, oil and wood from the environment. However, when humans use too much too fast, they damage the environment. Means cutting the forest, okay children, and mining. So these all things affect too much to our environment. Now I'm telling you how lithosphere is going to in dangerous position. So an increase in the use of resource has led to the production of a large amount of waste that is difficult to get rid of, like polythenes, plastics and these all things. So such waste builds up and on land in dumps, causing land pollution and damaging the soil. So excessive use of resources like trees have also caused erosion of soil. Okay children, so it is a big problem for our lithosphere or land. So our earth is, land and soil is getting polluted by these plastics and dumped waste. Next is how hydrosphere is getting polluted. So dumping waste into water bodies makes them unsafe for human use and kills marine life also. You know, these all waste materials when we throw in rivers and all things, lakes, so it is very dangerous for the marine life. Means which animals live in the water like frog, fish, crabs. So these life is in danger. Okay children, so the waste could be poisonous waste from factories, harmful chemicals from farmlands or household waste like plastics. So this is polluted water and causing for the death of fish and other animals, water species. So the increasing number of vehicles, air conditioners and factories has led to an increase in the amount of poisonous gases being released into the atmosphere and that causing air pollution. This in turn has led to breathing problems among humans. Means we are using these machines and these machines we are using these machines and these machines are causing a lot of problems for us because they released harmful gases and that led to breathing problem in humans. Human activities have also led to an increase in the level of carbon dioxide in the air, causing the overheating of the earth, which is referred to as global warming. Humans derive many products like wood, rubber, and paper from forest. They also need more and more land for agriculture, and this has led to widespread deforestation. Deforestation means cutting off forest rapidly. So without forest, wild animals have no place to live and no food to eat, and this leads to extinction of the animals, wild animals. So many of the you means dinosaurs, bears, and lions, these are going to this extinct. Dinosaurs are extinct from here. Now you are not able to see them. Okay, children. So these factors that lay a great impact on our environment. So how to preserve the domains of the earth? Means these are the problems that we are facing, and we are the cause of these problems. So how can we preserve? So to reduce the harmful effects of resource misuse on the four domains, we need to follow 5 R's of environmental protection. So first R is reduce. Reduce the amount of trash you create and the number of things you buy. Means whatever you need, buy that much things. Second is refuse. Say no to using materials like plastic that harm the environment. So don't use plastic and polythene. Instead, use biodegradable materials that can be easily dissolved in soil. Third use is reuse. Choose things that can be used more than once, like cloth bags. So cloth bags can be reused easily. 4R is recycle. Send recyclable waste to recycling plants instead of simply throwing it away. Okay, children? 5 is repurpose. Find new uses for discarded things. Okay, create new things from waste. So teachers also used to tell you children in class that make craft things using waste materials. So if you have water bottles, old water bottles, you can make it, use it for like plant waste. You can plant in the flower little plants also in the bottle, to cut it and plant the little plant. Okay, children. So these are the ways to preserve the domains of earth. So now this chapter 5, major domains of the earth, is completed today, and read the chapter from both the books and complete exercises, NCERT exercises in your NCERT fair notebook of geography, and supplementary books question in separate supplementary fair notebook of geography. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a great day.